to Bayer. Goes inside. Bayer. Kapos. Rebound by Villanar. Pass to Torrico number 27. To Barbosa number 29. Wala. Rebound. Still. Torrico. Using the ball. The frontal runs by Torrico. Fronda. Valdez to Fronda. Pass play. 1-3. Bayer. Bayer. Still. Abang number 13. Stop and back. Tempo. Wala. Rebound ball. Tempo. Wala nampak. Wala nampak. Torrico. Baseline Brownie. Torrico number 27. Get the ball by number 12. Bringing the ball by Secreto. Crosses to the midcourt. On to court. Secreto. Battle sa whistle. Double dribble. Double dribble. Bayer. From the number 19. Bringing the ball. Over. Cross the legs. Bayer number 2. For 2, no good, rebound by putback, number 19. Battle sa whistle, foul. Foul by Garcia number 12, Secreto. Secreto by Fronda number 19. No good, second free throw by Fronda number 19, ready jumper. Second free throw by Fronda number 19, ready jumper. No good. William Marco Torrico number 27. Pass fake to Secreto number 12. Behind the back. Secreto. Back to Torrico. Steal. Number 2. Bayer. Bayer. Number teammates. Intercept by number 12. 27. Torrico. For 2. Basket. Good for the first by Torrico number 27. Bola ng White. Number 2. Long free. Bayer, no good. Rebound by Torrico. Intercept. Valdez to Bayer. From the number 19. 10-7 shot clock. Puts it up. No good. Put back. Valdez. Good for the first by Valdez. Number 12 to number 27. Torrico, dribbling the ball for 3. No good. Turnover. To number 19, Fronda, ready to play. Gets it to go. No good. Rebound by Valdez. Looking for teammates. Kick out for 2. Tapang, no good. Number 27. Torrico now. To Secreto number 12, long 3. No good. Rebound by number 2, Bayer. Aguacito number 12. Crossing to the midcourt. Aguacito. Puts it up. Wala. Put back. Basket. From the number 19. Number 29, Barbosa, wala. Rebound by Balmes. Get the ball by Bayer, number 2. Bayer, 40, no good. Torrico number 27. Dribbling the ball. Torrico. Aras by Balmes.
Leo, po nga kayo, Ben.
It's the second shot clock. Bottle sa whistle. Foul by Balmes, substitution. William Arap, 9 to Secreto number 12. Running jump shot, Butler sa whistle, traveling violation. 2 minutes and 25 remaining time. Bayer to Fronda number 19. Ronda, dribbling the ball. Kick out. Ronda to Agrosito. Step back. 4-2. Open. Rebound by number 12. Secreto running on the floor. Crossing to the midcourt. Secreto running jump shot. Basket. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Ronda number 19. Dribbling the ball by 8. Ronda number 19. Get the ball. Number 2. Step back. 4-2. Fire. No good. Rebound by Secreto. Number 27. Torrico. Cross the lane. To Hernaez. 4-2. Good photo boys by Hernaez. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Number 19. Dr. Solution. The ball to Bayer. Number 2. Bayer now. Cross the legs. Pass inside. To Pabular. Number 13. Shot back. 5. Agrosito, pull up, no good. Rebound by Hernaez. Hernaez number 0 to behind the back. 8 seconds violation. 1 minute and 8.